English step by step, past perfect, step 2. Now, in this step, we're going to look at 2 practice exercises, so make sure you've watched step 1 before you start here. Click like if you'd like to see more videos like this. Click subscribe if you'd like to see my other videos, and you can leave a request for a lesson in the comments below. Practice exercise 1. Complete the sentences below, choose the correct verb from the list, and change it into past perfect simple tense. You can use an affirmative sentence with an affirmative verb, a negative sentence, or a question. So you have to look at the indications on the left to check, is it affirmative, negative, or a question? And here are the verbs be, eat, fall, forget, have, etc. So you have to change these into the past participles. In this case, been, eaten, fallen, forgotten. And you have to use the auxiliary verb had. So that's practice exercise 1, similar, with a different set of verbs. Work, win, travel, take. And you can use the past participles. Well, you have to use the past participles, worked, won, travelled, etc. And again, check, is it affirmative, negative, or a question? So I'm going to leave these 2 practice exercises up on the screen for 1 minute, and you can write down the answers and then check your answers by watching the step 3 video in which I'll explain and give the answers.